This is part 2. Don't know the brand pendant. Another one. MK Logic Plus pendant. A PMS pendant. By the way, this is a Vimark one. A 10B switch with neon. A Series 4000 one-way light switch. This is the older one. This one right here is the newer one. This fuse switch is also by Vimark with neon. XM 16616 one-way light switch. Holder one-way light switch. Manufacture date 6th of the 2nd 2024. MK Logic Plus fuse switch with neon. MK Logic Plus plug socket switch. Click mode 2A light switch. NTA pendant. A broken 10B one-way light switch. MK Logic plug socket switch. Some plug socket switch. MK Logic plug socket switch. Folex golden switch with neon. MK Logic Plus one-way light switch. MK Logic Plus plug socket switch. Very old MK switch one-way. Very light one-way light switch. Ashley 2A light switch. Very light 3-way light switch. Some one-way light switch. MK Logic light switch with neon. A PMS plug socket switch. A brightness switch. A MK IP56 waterproof switch. PMS one-way light switch. MK Logic 3-way light switch. Some switch, I think. This is the last part. Bye, guys.